stacking zentangle. And you'll see here that I gave you some examples. You need to have, I think it's 6 by 6 inch square, okay, 6 by 6 inch paper. Eventually we will, when you come back to school, I will ask for these because they look so great in the hallway, and I'll frame them up nicely, okay? So they do need to be exactly 6 by 6 inch squares. And then you are going to take your paper and you're going to make a half circle. When we're at school, we use a compass. If you guys know what a compass is, it's that little, a protractor is that little plastic thing that makes a half circle. I know you might not have one of those at home, but you could definitely use like a cup to make the circles. I have this nice thing of clay that would make some nice circle edges that I would just go down. You can use a compass, which a lot of people have for math skills, which is the little silver thing that makes the circles. You can use any of that, and you want to make it so that it has the curve. So you're doing the curves first, and then you're putting in your zentangles. Okay, so on Wednesday you're working on the zentangles, unless you do it today, and then you don't have to do it on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I'm going to help teach you guys how to do the shading part. So don't do the shading part just yet. We'll do that in class on Thursday. But what you want to start with is doing your stacked zentangles. So in a curve, doing some zentangles in a row. So today you're practicing doing zentangles from the internet, and then on Wednesday, you're actually making a zentangle piece. I pulled up some from last year. Our best ones from last year got taken home, of course, because people are very proud of their work. They usually take it home, but you can see some nice zentangle designs that have come from other students in this class. I'll stop sharing so you can see. So you can see nice zentangle designs. They stacked them. They have to be at least 4 stacks or 5 stacks. I forget what I put. I think it's 4, but so this would be fine. What I don't want to see is this. See, they're just stripes across. It does need that curve. They look very much, they look better with the curve, okay? So think about how you're doing that. I want you to think about the confidence of your line and how it's going to portray when you actually put it all together. You can see this person did little zeros, little circles, but look, they have this whole section of blankness. So when it becomes an art piece, that really sticks out. So those are things that you're gonna wanna look at. So try to be careful of those things. Again, we're not shading until Thursday, so don't do the shading part yet, even though it does talk about that in the assignment. We'll do that together. Is there any questions on Wednesdays or what you're doing today?